عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا إخوة وأخوات في دين الإسلام. كيف حالكم؟ أنا بخير على هذا الصباح الحمد لله. أنا في المسجد بلال ابن رباح، مدرسة الحمد لله. آه، آه، الآن هو فجر الحمد لله. آه، نحن نصلي إن شاء الله تعالى very soon. But I just wanted to tap in with y'all and touch bases, inshallah, and give y'all a quick reminder, inshallah. This reminder is about being content and saying alhamdulillah, even when the things ain't going your way. You got to remember that this could either be a test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or Aidan, it can also be a punishment for sins. You know, when something happens to you that you wasn't expecting or that you wasn't ready to deal with yet, you know, it can be a test, you know, that Allah is testing you to see where your iman is. So you usually try to deal with everything in a positive manner and leave it to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah ta'ala, Huwa kulli shayin qadir, He is the controller of all affairs. You know, nothing is out of His grasp. Everything is within His grasp. So you have you have to remember to stay positive, you know, and live your life. Say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. You know, He created everything, and He gives you whatever He wants, and He takes away whatever He wants. So you gotta be prepared for that and keep it lit for Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, inshallah Taala. And when bad things happen, you know, you get sick or hardships, anything, you know, it's all from Allah. You feel me? The good, the bad, the ugly, whatever, it's all from Allah, because Allah Ta'ala is the controller of all affairs. You have to be able to withstand it and keep it lit and increase your mind, you know, and always keep your ibadah up, keep your worship up, and stay steadfast in your worship, you know, regardless of what's going on in your life. You know, things don't always go your way, but you always got to say Alhamdulillah, you know, and Allah will reward you. You know, He never takes away nothing from you without giving you something better in replace. So, you know, I believe in my Creator's promises, and Alhamdulillah for everything. You know, Allah Ta'ala is the greatest. You know, He always got your back no matter what, inshallah. So, keep it lit. Alhamdulillah, through any fitness and tribulations, you know, keep it lit. Don't let the shaitan get you down. You know, Allah is always with you. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Inshallah, the Adhan will be coming in soon, so we're going to get ready for Fajr Salat, inshallah ta'ala. All you brothers and sisters, come on by to the Masjid Bilal Education Center, inshallah, and pray Salat with us and learn something with us, inshallah, that'll benefit your deen, inshallah ta'ala. We got the Arabic classes, you know, Quran classes, fiqh, all of that, inshallah. So come on through, inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, ya ikhwa wa akhwat fi din al-Islam. كل شيء تمام الحمد لله.